9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so reminders po parents and guardians, dito po muna tayo outside the event area para po ma-maximize po ng mga kids ang kanilang space. And you may take picture and video po outside the event area. So, hi! Inaatang pa yung mga kids. Hi! Okay, so bago tayo mag-start, magpapakilala po muna ang event team. So, my name is Ate Kyla, your host for today, together with my friends, Ate Julie and Ate Kim. Say hi mga ate! Hi! Okay, kids, so meron tayong special guest. She is the loveliest, bubbliest star of Kidzuna, Lana Chan! Say hi! Okay, give her high fives! Okay, high five! Hi, Lana Chan! Oh, come here, Lana Chan! Okay, sinasabi po si Lana Chan, kids! Sino daw po ang magaling sumayaw? Raise your hand! Wow, sila lahat, Lana Chan. Okay, so meron po tayong 2 basic step po na prepare to energize our body. Ano po yung first step, Lana Chan? Okay, Lana Chan says, shake your hands and wiggle your body down and up. Okay, ganyan niyo po. Next step, raise your both hands and clap. And clap. Okay, so are you ready, kids? Okay, music please. Okay, let's march, kids. Ready? Now shake your hands and wiggle. Shake your hands and wiggle. Raise your both arms and clap. Raise your both arms and clap. Very good. And shake your hands. Wiggle. Shake your hands and wiggle. Okay, kids, stop. Okay, look around and pause. Good job. Okay, so now Lana Chan wants you to group yourselves into 2 teams. Okay, pila po tayo kay Ate Julie for Team A and kay Ate Kim naman po for Team B. Okay, so pila po tayo, kids. Arms forward po. Arms forward. Okay, so find your height po, everyone. Ayan, so, pag meron na po team, sit down na po, sit down. Okay, sit down. And kailangan po natin ng team leader. Okay, Lala Chan, dito po tayo sa Team A. So, what's your name, ate?
Jamie Madison Reyes.
Okay, so si Ate Jamie ang team leader ng Team A. Say hi, Ate Jamie!